Stop leaving brochures no one reads. Create something memorable. In this episode, I'll show you how to craft a local travel guide that makes guests rave. Now, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss new episodes packed with practical tips for vacation rental owners. Ever had a guest ask, "Where's the best place to eat nearby?" Or, "Is there anything fun to do around here?" If you mumbled something about Google Maps while handing them their key, don't worry, you're not alone. But here's the truth bomb. You're missing a golden opportunity. In today's episode, I'm going to dive into why and how to create your own local travel guide. A guest magnet that doesn't just impress, it wows. Stick around for a simple tip at the end that makes your guide go from good to legendary. And if you're just starting out, this strategy is right out of the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course playbook. Want your guests to feel like locals and rave about you in reviews? This one's for you. And if you love actionable advice like this, subscribe to the Vacation Rental Resolutions podcast and get weekly golden nuggets for your business. So why do local guides beat a brochure rack? Well, let's start with the obvious. Brochures are boring. No personality, no credibility, no trust. Now picture this instead. A colorful, handwritten style guide with your favorite hikes, hidden beaches, the best tacos in town, and the one bakery that does proper sourdough. It screams, "Your host cares." A guest journey starts before they even arrive, and your guide can plant that seed of excitement. Now here's a fun fact. Guests who feel in the know are 2.4 times more likely to leave a 5-star review. Who knew confidence tasted like local sourdough? What should you include? And here's a spoiler, not just tourist traps. Think like your ideal guests, and if you're not sure who that is, Module 2 of the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course helps you define them. Here's what your guide should include. The top eats. Go beyond Yelp. Share your go-to cafe, late night eats, or your farm-to-table gems. Activities for all types. Something for kids, couples, solo travelers, and rainy days. Hidden gems, that trail locals love, the beach with no crowds, the record shop with the secret gigs. Essentials, the closest supermarket, pharmacy, hospital, ATM, and yes, a solid coffee shop. Seasonal events, farmers markets, summer festivals, Christmas lights, whatever brings the town to life. Transportation tips, where to park, how to get around, taxi numbers, public transport hacks. You want more great content? Visit the Vacation Rental Resolutions YouTube channel for videos that will transform how you host. Paper or digital? This is a trick question. Do both. The print version, perfect for leaving on the coffee table. Add maps, QR codes, and maybe a cheeky discount voucher for a local pub. Digital version, make it mobile friendly. Upload it to your website or OTA platforms if allowed. Tools like Canva, which is great, Notion, or even Google Slides will work great. Bonus tip, make it interactive. Link to Instagram accounts of recommended spots. Guests love to browse photos before committing to a plan. So how do you keep it fresh? Because things change fast. Have you ever recommended a brunch spot that closed 6 months ago? Ouch. Keep your guide up to date. Review it every season. Add new discoveries. Delete any flops or closed businesses. Ask your guests for suggestions. They love being part of the experience. Pro tip, launch your first vacation rental course, create a Google form in your checkout message to gather new ideas from guests. Want practical advice like this every day? Bookmark the Vacation Rental Resolutions website. It's your best mate for guest first hosting. Now, don't forget the personality. Your guidebook isn't a phone book. It's a love letter to your town. Add fun stories, odd trivia, and some cheeky humor. For example, the owner of Luigi's Pizza might try to convince you that his dough recipe won a contest in Naples. It didn't, but the pepperoni slice still slams. That's the kind of stuff guests remember and tell their friends about. What's the one place in your town you'd never find in a brochure, but you tell all your friends about? Let me know in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Guests love to feel like locals. Include eats, hidden gems, and essentials. Use both print and digital versions. Update it regularly. Infuse it with personality and humor. Creating your own local travel guide doesn't just make guests happy. It builds trust, it sparks word of mouth, and it turns good stays into great stories. And when you help guests connect with your community, they've connected with you. And that's powerful. If you found this helpful, check out our deeper dive inside the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course, which is great for both current and aspiring owners. It's packed full of great information that you'll wish you knew before. Oh, and if you like this episode, you'll love What Are the Must-Have Vacation Rental Amenities? Episode 53. Goes great with today's episode, and you can find it on the Vacation Rental Resolutions website. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next episode, and if you think this information's been worth your time, feel free to buy us a coffee. We like ours strong, like our SEO strategy.